show you guys how I do my laundry. I get some liquid soap into a bucket. Then once it's full of water, I just soak everything in it with my fingers. As you see, I got it full. And then just like that, let them soak a little. I mix everything. That's why I don't bring anything new, because then there's no concern about stains or anything like that. I also bring things that dry fast, so it's nice and easy. And then if you have like the board, you can just do it there. If you don't, you can just do like this. Use your knuckles. Just use it like this. Add more soap as needed. You do have a little piece of bar. It does make it easier for little spots. I don't have a lot. I only have a little bit of leftover from last year. I forgot to add more, but it does help make it easier. Use your hands opposite so that you can turn even more. Get as much of the water out as possible so that it's easier to dry. And then voila! Everything is hanging to dry. That's it, folks. I hope this is helpful. See you guys again soon. Buen camino!